Well, there are now more than 550 cases of coronavirus in the U.S., and the death toll is now at 22.
And right here in Virginia, health officials have confirmed the state's second case of coronavirus. News 3 reporter Kofa Lasaki is live for us at Sentara Norfolk General Hospital this morning, where doctors there say they are prepared to treat any cases that may show up in Hampton Roads.
Yeah, both presumptive cases are in Northern Virginia, and health officials say they're doing their best to make sure they contain the virus so that it doesn't spread. What we know is that the first presumptive case of coronavirus was announced Saturday night. Health officials say a Marine Base Corps Quantico resident at Fort Belvoir tested positive for the virus and is currently receiving treatment at Fort Belvoir Community Hospital. The second presumptive case was announced Sunday, less than 24 hours later. According to VDH officials, the patient is a Fairfax resident in their 80s who traveled on a similar Nile River cruise as other positive coronavirus cases. The patient began to develop symptoms of respiratory illness on February 28th. They were hospitalized on March 5th and remain in stable condition. As of yesterday morning, 44 Virginians have been tested for the novel coronavirus. 36 tests were negative, and the results of 6 tests are still unknown. Health officials say both of the cases in Virginia are linked to sources outside of the United States.
Both cases had traveled internationally days before developing symptoms, and the two cases are not related. At this point, there are no signs of the virus spreading in the community in Virginia.
And health officials continue to stress that the risk of catching coronavirus is very low, but they want to also remind people to be cautious. That means continuing to wash your hands multiple times throughout the day, and also making sure that you're being aware of those symptoms and staying home if you are sick. Live in Norfolk, Kofa Lasaki, News 3.
And in about